Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video to share with you. Today we're going to start in on working through how many looks we can come up with using this new LaColors ColorBlock GLAM palette that I found. This is new at the Dollar General. This is a new palette added to their cool, nude, and rose color block palettes, and we have glam. So as always, we've primed our lids, and I am so excited to share this really simple, easy look with you guys. This palette is $3 at Dollar General. That is where I found mine. You cannot buy these online yet. The first shade we're taking is the Nude Skin Tone Highlight shade in the palette. We're buffing that in the crease, mainly for just to lay down a shade like a transition for the crease shade that we will be applying to blend out into. So we're using the matte brown crease shade in the palette, and that's how I'm just going to have to refer to them. They're stamped in as lid, crease, and highlights, so that's how I'm going to refer to them because they don't have names. And I'm just taking this on a pointed fluffy brush. It kind of like tapers in like an arrowhead, if that makes sense. It's kind of fluffy. This brush I did find at the Dollar General as well for $1. It's a very nice and soft brush actually, you guys, and you should definitely check out the Beauty Accents products that they have there. And I just literally applied that a little in the outer corner into the crease, wiped my brush off, and now I'm buffing that highlight shade against the edges once again to help blend it out. These shades will blend out on their own, but I just wanted a nice smooth kind of transition, and that's what I got. And I would have used a lid shade from the palette, but I just got my Ipsy bag, so I was excited to try this Balm eyeshadow, and I believe the name is Wall Street, but I'm not entirely sure. And I just put that on my brush, spritz it with some setting spray to wet it, and now I am applying it on the lid. Literally kind of like dragging it, painting it on the lid because I'm using it wet. And when I go in with it dry, I'll kind of just like place it. You'll see the difference. See there, I'm just placing it opposed to just dragging it, and it's such a beautiful golden shade. So in your collection, any golden shade you want, grab it and apply it to your lid. And for the highlight, we're using the shimmery white highlight in the ColorBlock GLAM palette from LaColors. New LaColors. I always get so excited about that. I don't know about you guys, but I love LaColors. We're really buffing the highlight shade, and with the two crease shades, we're going to go back in with the brown, matte brown we used in the crease, and we're applying that to our lower lash line, just kind of smoking that out just a bit, just the tiniest little bit, buffing that in, and that's our lower lash line. Now in the inner corner, I'm applying NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. As always, we're going to blend that out, and I love how simple and beautiful put together this look is. I'm using the WetnWild MegaGlo highlighting palette, and I'm using the golden highlight shade in that palette and applying that in the inner corner. It's slightly lighter than the Balm eyeshadow I used on the lid, but it blends out really nicely into one another, and it just looks really nice for an inner corner highlight. This is LaColors Eye Marker, and I'm using that to do a thin strip of eyeliner, and I'm also using the Jordana black point pencil to tightline with, and this is the LaColors eyeliner pencil in Nude, and I'm using that in my waterline. Also, another Ipsy product I got was the Benefit Roller Lash mascara, and it's a nice mascara. I like the Benefit mascara, so it's very beautiful. That's our eyes. And for lips, this is the HardCandy Universal Lip Primer and the All Matte Plus Lip Crayon in Retro Red. I love these lipsticks. I love how this look came out. It's super simple and easy. I hope you guys will find this tutorial helpful and try the look out for yourselves. And I hope you are excited for more looks to come using the GLAM ColorBlock palette from LaColors. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for a product list, and stay tuned for more LaColors tutorials.